Hello viewers, if it's your first time you are watching my YouTube channel, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click on subscribe and also click on the bell, ring on it so that you can get more notification when I'm online or when I upload more new videos. So I will be talking in Pidgin English, and I will be talking about single mothers. So let's start it. Single mother, many people they think say single mother life dey easy. Let me tell you something you don't understand. Single mother na im go wake up early in the morning to take care of their children, take them to school, do shopping, work, do everything alone. You when dey your husband house when you wan become single mother, wetin you think say you go gain inside? Wetin you think say you go gain? Nothing. Some of una see some single mother because say dem dey dress, dem dey wear Gucci, dem dey wear this one. Una wan divorce una husband because una husband no dey give una money wey una want. My sister, abeg, I come beg una, make una no leave una husband because of wetin una see, because nobody dey pray to be a single mother. Nobody. All those single mother when you see it there, when you see say na so dem dey fine, dem dey dress, dem dey do that, you know wetin dem dey pass through? You know wetin dem dey pass through? If na because of money, say maybe your husband no dey give you money when you want, my sister, na Europe we dey, we no dey Nigeria. Na Nigeria I know say man go say make him wife sit down for house, he go work come, make he take feed am. But this one na Europe. The man need to take care of the house rent, light bill, and so many other things. Wetin you dey do for house, my sister? If you support this man, stand up, go find work, still dey do your own work. Una go get more money to take care of una sef. Una go live normal life. Una go love una sef. But if you only dey put your mind for only the man, make the man dey garri, make the man dey water, make the man dey do this one, make the man dey do that one, una go always dey get problem. Every day by day una go dey fight una sef for no reason. My sister, make you stand up for your rights. Stand up, go look for work, make you start work, make you start to dey earn money. If children don go school, go find some work do. Even though na 4 hours, many job, go find something to do. Not just sit down for house, put all your might for one man. Because this man now, if he still get family for, if he still get mama or papa, still get people when they take care of. The same thing with you. Not just say because say the man don't marry you, may you just suffer, take kill am. Abeg, may we try change, may we try to dey, wanna try to dey support una husband. I'm talking about support. I know say make the man sit down for house, una dey go work, come dey give am money, una dey pay house rent. That one no be wetin I dey talk about. Wetin I dey talk about be say una two go dey work, una go dey put head together. Sometimes you say you need money when you want to do your hair, the man no get. You fit still post, see the one when you bring come outside. No be say every time you just dey say my husband, my husband, my husband. You want pay meeting money, my husband. God forbid now, maybe say your husband now, the enemy no well now, he dey hospital. House rent come. How you want fit take pay the house rent? From there now, you go dey meet friends. Sister Ayinke, Sister Shola, abeg borrow me money, abeg do this one for me. My dear sister, that one no be life. That one no be life at all. That one no be life. May we try, may we change, may we know wetin dey right to dey do. May we try to dey support our man. May we try to support our husband. May we try to dey support them. I dey talk about support, I no dey talk about man when be say he never put money for your head, he never marry you, never do the right thing because say you born for am. All money when you come dey get, you dey give am. the man go dey choose am till dey do your thing, because you no know whether this man now, whether many other women don first born for am. That one you no know. So sometimes you go still be careful. But if this man say he don't pay your bride price, don't marry you, white, black, don't do everything, my sister, may you stand up. Stand up for where you sit down put. Stand up. It's time for you to work hard. May you support this man. Mona they do everything together so that una go get joy, una go get happiness for yourself on a marriage. If your friend, your best friend tell you say na lie, na my husband they do this one, my sister, no dey lis ten to wetin they talk, because many of them dey they only want to destroy your own, because they see the way when you take dey happy with your husband, they see the way when una take dey live, but they go like wetin no dey happen for their own relationship, they go come dey like to dey tell you say na it dey happen. They will come, they like to tell you, say, now this one happen, now this one they happen, no mind am, you know they give you wife. Nah lie. Some men, the same things. Same thing when it happen to man, next thing happen to woman. You go see some women, some men, once they don't go beer parlor, don't sit down with their friends, from there they'll say, no matter my wife, now she do this one. Nah lie, if you reach your house, you'll come meet the man they wash plate for kitchen. Those men, when they go public, go to talk, say, my wife, they fear me, my wife, they do this one. My dear, the man has scatter a day. He only wants scatter your home. He wants scatter your marriage for you. Mona no dey lis ten to them. Now those ones are they call them, say, those ones not be friends. Those ones not be friends. Only waiting they need now to destroy your joy, your happiness. See many men now, including many women, we don't lose our man, we don't lose our woman because of friends. Because of friends. Friend they save, friend they kill. May we be careful. May we be careful for what they do, who will they listen to. They not say make we not make friends, but sometimes we go still use our sense for friend side. We go still use our sense. We go still use our sense. Not be everybody will laugh with us. Not be our friend. Not be our friends. Many day when be say they know they happy with us. Many day. But if you see them, the way when they do follow you, you say, this one are my best friend. This one are my... Now lie. Now lie. Anything what they do with you, anything what they do for you, don't reach their mind. If you see friend when they advise you, say, my sister, the way when they treat your husband no good, the way when you know they respect your husband, no say that person are your friend. But the one when they tell you, say, forget that side. My husband, fear not they let my husband try out. Now the one when you give your husband, my sister, that one a destroyer. She just they find space. May you say you know they do again. May you pack your bag go. Before 1 minute, before one day, you don't see say that one that they call say my husband leave me go marry my best friend. Because your best friend don't they hide that man before. Your best friend don't date here before. She only want push you come out here. She only want push you come out. And if she really succeeds, that time you come they say I die no. You say I die no. I die no. That time now maybe you they like to come back to her. The man not go want again. Because waiting you never give her, your friend don't give her the thing. Your friend don't give her waiting you never give her. Respect when the man they find since when you never give her. Your friend don't give her. Better food when they find when you never give her. The woman don't give her. You see some of us now, we'll say we marry. Our husband go they call us, they want make love with us. We go they say no, I don't want. My sister, who you they reserve the thing for? Who you they reserve one for? May we try. Some things there when we say, okay, we fit deny our husband, but not be everything. You fit deny your husband of that food now, of that thing now, that special thing now. You deny her now, the next thing now when you see now, go meet another woman. That woman now when you want go meet, you know whether the woman get sickness? You know what the woman get? If you sleep with the woman finish now, you go give her belly. or you go carry sickness from there. You in their house, innocent woman, you go come carry give you. Abeg, my sisters, may we try, may we change the way we take dey behave, the way we take dey do things. If you wan become single mother life no be way, light no dey there. Light no dey there. Everything about single mother na tears, frustration. No single mother dey happy to be, unless those ones wey be say dey force themselves send their husband out. Even my sister, if your husband, when you say you no want again, person wey you don born for, if he still dey call you, dey beg you, my dear, may you forgive am. Go back to am. Things wey he never dey do for you before, wey make you leave am, tell am say, my husband, see wetin you no dey do for me, see wetin dey make me dey vex, see una go put head together. You go see say your marriage go work fine. People go even dey ask you say, how come, how work, how you take do am, how this thing, which pastor, which juju? No juju, no pastor, na your hand. May we suffer for anything wey we dey do. May we be careful. And first, in anything we are doing, we should always put prayer first. So I will see you guys next time. I hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget to click on the bell so that you get more alert. See you guys next week. Bye.